Alright guys, we just got the fucking flange for what's fucking called? For the shifter, so it doesn't fucking fall so much. The rubber one sucks. Then we also got a 3-inch head exhaust gasket, so we can get my exhaust fitted on fucking, I think, Monday. Alright boys, today we're gonna be installing this shifter, and we're gonna be putting these metal things on. So, got the tools. I'm going under the car. So, turn the flash on. So as you can see, right under here. Ooh, fuck! I'm gonna take this shit off. Pants gonna be a pain in the ass. Oh man, undrill this. Can't fit. Dump on these. Fuck. God damn it. Okay. Alright, guys. We finally got that shit on. As you can see from underneath. Wait. Oh, wrong fucking way. Got all that shit on. See, look at that shit. Look good, look good. Yup. Lord mercy, got lightheaded, bruh. There you go. Look at that shit, bro. We're gonna have to turn it. Alright, turn it. You can't have it. Alright boys, short shifter, looks good, looks good. About to go on the drive. They got some weird. It's pretty good though. Alright. Little pit stop. Had to stop by homie's crib. So, you know, the dude's gotta grab something from him. Yep. Ooh. Just driving, chilling.